UTV Agya Kwabena wo so bra aba wo so wo Agya Kwabena me pese me ka kire wo se woni twasiri nka wakoma wa bodam yeti krom ha na wo boss ma bulldog kwase ampani no platform etena so etrete certain president mo am se mo jimi na mugu krom ha o me fancy comedy we mo che na mo ka imagine etese mo ma che me mo ka imagine papa bia mo na mo besa aduane amaye o am se mo ni mo ho fancy comedy amache no mo na mbeta aduane ama no mapodam yeti krom na mo trete na na adodan ko ekufu ado se common floor member nene mo table na tene mo no mo ankasa moduru amusoku ya mo de ene mo ba chi nyina ene ye nyina Ghana police mo be declare ye nyina wanted Kevin Taylor kwasi ampani we kura mama na ko free emmoa.
Hi guys, this is Fast on Fact on Ghana Sem TV. Guys, Agya Kwabena will regret ever mentioning fancy comedy. Guys, social media is on fire. Wherever you pass, Agya Kwabena, justice for Agya Kwabena at this point. Guys, Agya Kwabena is will be laughing on the wrong side of his mouth. He woke up on the west side of the bed and decided to talk about this Samija situation. Guys, if you are Schwarzenegger is on heat. Guys, a lot of social media commentators who are sympathizers for the New Patriotic Party are not sparing Agya Kwabena. Guys, Agya Kwabena has been called a hypocrite. Agya Kwabena has been called Nyachom. Bro, I cannot even understand because right about now, he should just leave his phone and stay away social media before he goes through psychological distress, the insults, the fire. Bro, my data is even finished. Agya Kwabena cannot sleep. Social media is on fire. Guys, those of you who don't know what exactly happened, what did Agya Kwabena say to warrant all these hits on him? Enjoy.
Politics, Intino. Bibi biara beko bia no political opponent abeda ne political enemy. Me ho nipa na oyeso social media sa de mani nyina no. Party ko ba ban mu a ye hunu fa de nya hwe.
Uti mududu uti beberebe sa parachute kwasiya. Na wote Ghana hefa. Ena na sami jemfi mo chante. Kumna na do maye. Na wen. Na no si nkumba uya na wen. Now when I don't blame you. Father Dixon kwasiye bi e wo so tie kurase. E hwe ne papa ko so ano de na bet TV so. Na nka say how dare you net to at them a Jimmy for. Yaka wo Jimmy kwasiye ni mu. Na kwa na wu ya nka de. Wo e na wo to so mfa so ne say. Kwasiye Jimmy and the ma woni me because we am can first. Say Sammy Jemfi wu a eye. And I'm can social media.
TV Agya Kwabena wo so bra aba wo so wo Agya Kwabena me pese me ka kire wo se woni twasiri nka wakoma wa bodam yeti krom ha na wo boss ma bulldog kwase ampani no platform etena so etrete certain president mo am se mo jimi na mugu krom ha o me fancy comedy we mo che na mo ka imagine etese mo ma che me mo ka imagine papa bia mo na mo besa aduane amaye o am se mo ni mo ho fancy comedy amache no mo na mbeta aduane ama no mapodam yeti krom na mo trete na adodan ko ekufu ado se common floor member nene mo table na tene mo no mo ankasa moduru amusoku ya mo de ene mo ba chi nyina ene ye nyina Ghana police mo be declare ye nyina wanted Kevin Taylor kwasi ampani we kura mama na ko free emmoa.
Ya Kwabena ya wo kan de yanka ye pa na question is ebleban ena Agya Kwabena unya sa realization we ode to aso BTU to aso
Ye hunu
Agya Kwabena a wo UTV na watwe we aye tenten ama no na menya sure say Agya Kwabena obetimi aso ne phone na watwe we aba social media so otimi so ne phone pa ba social media de a na ne Agya Kwabena so ye bema na de enti Agya Kwabena nkofo bo na chi nyina ne say ena no ye nua fanti comedy mu asem ba yi ono na de kwati na UTV ko kan ne nsem efa ho na eno na YouTube ni bi esusu se Agya Kwabena ye nyaatwem o ye hypocrite and then Agya Kwabena ye hypocrite ni se na Agya Kwabena wo UTV na SHS for nkra efa phone edi si o mo so ka se Akufuado de onya president papa edi di Akufuado attempt to the extent of say Akufuado kromunya ni ti o mo de bekwa akoye money rituals that time na Agya Kwabena no owe Agya Kwabena te krom ha and a radio presenter ekwotina radio so ekod lamba she Akufo-Addo to the extent say Akufo-Addo flew plane no emfa ne crash on titi onwu. Agya Kwabena pa che say wanhunu saa nyoma we wante saa nyoma we ene de we si ye de a Agya Kwabena wanya ho e ba be ka ho asem. Agya Kwabena, to be honest with you, some of us medical can say open nipa ba ko a enanu wo na esi e me helicopter crash no she no na can ne pa me ka ho because ade unim onse me no ka say kra hwema no enwa ho na guma no all because of sade we because abo me yare and me nipa betimi ato ye nyina but Agya Kwabena, you shouldn't be hypocrite. You shouldn't be hypocrite. So all criticize free now no asem na esi yen because endra de na esi ni se nye de ne de ne nso nye untimi magina ha emme condemn without say on condemn ndra de entimi sra wo Agya Kwabena baby a waye media adwuma duru no peti nyoma bi wo ni kwan say fall for it what say your brand
abusuan tie say obi tie mi a onka nkyere Agya Kwabena say me say week way it will be very very long for him if we say adia President Akufo-Addo time na ye bone no samri emeye no kore ana emeye de papa wo so the way the media is like the media na sisi a yehu no people don't actually respect you. People don't care how you are or the kind of pedigree you raise yourself to. People don't care. So anything that you are doing or anything that you see on television, like I told you before, be circumspect. Wiki we ni wamau. If we say, ya wahana na nado time kete senior high school for mo kra pono mo maame na mo papa no mo ntue school fees o mo fafun no maka de mo pede akire na nado. We sat, listened, and never took any action. Today, and then those wrongs then is now right today. And those things that were wrong today, it will be right tomorrow. This is what the kind of we are all calling for. And that one week way about if we say some of you want it and you will get it from the youth, because now the youth don't care. They actually don't care about your feeling or what you are doing. So we have to understand. Say ni esi neno. Agya Kwabena ebe wamau. The same youth that you were thinking that you were preaching goodness to are today coming after you. Every say ni esi na no. We don't see it today being right. You see how you are running. That is how the youth of Ghanaians are today.